morning, all. My name is Biodo, the creator of Catfish Solution Place. This morning, I'm going to take you through my seed. What I mean by my seed is that this is the juvenile size of seed I have and producing. So looking at them, you can see they are very, very active and they are standard juvenile. These are trained. They are very beautiful. Every morning, so I make them active. I train them so that they can perform well and grow. And the good thing about this is that sometimes I had some statements of some people saying dwarf seed or stunted species. The problem about dwarf or stunted species is that to me, I don't know anything about dwarf seed. What I know about species is that you have a stunted species and when you have a run species. What I mean by run species is that species that are their genes do not grow. So they are run species. Like it happens even to women. You can see some of us, women beings that are very, very short. That means the genes we don't grow. But immediately you notify and you see a run species, you know this is a run species. But to get a better seed, here we have a good quality seed. Our fishes are being trained. We train them. What I mean by training is that we change their water, we keep them from disease, they are disease free, they are healthy, they keep healthy, and once an healthy fish, it grows very big. As you can see, we have some cages here. That is just kept there. These some fishes here are going as far as Abuja, Minna, Milani, Maiduguri, Kaduna, Kano, and we have, in the store there, we have our other case that are going. So we supply everywhere. In case you need a supply, you can contact me. So here also we have loads of them here. You can see there are many. We have lots of fishes here. They are healthy fish. Let me tell you what some of the secrets of the treatment I do for them in my farm here. This is an example of a Baudi. This is a Baudi. I don't know if you know about this or some of us will know about this. Baudi is to create energy and to restrict your fishes from diseases, from attacks from diseases. And once your fishes are meeting up to the required time, that means the growth required time, they will do better. So this is the sample of the Baudi we use for them to prevent them from diseases, to make them energy. We create energy for them. They are healthy, they are active. So the Baudi is inside the pond 24/7. So the fishes, you can see, they are healthy, they are healthy. This is another set of species. Inside this tank, I have close about 7,000 species. Inside this tank, I have about 6,000 species. The species are doing well. They are juvenile seed. They are standard juvenile seed. As you can see, they are performing very, very okay. Here, this is our post fingerling. They are doing very, very great. As you can see, inside here, we have close to about 5,000 species. These are post fingerling species. And here too as well, we have loads of post fingerling seeds. Those are post fingerling seeds. As you can see, they are active, they are doing okay. In case you need a very good seed, you contact me for a very good seed. I will provide you a good seed. A lot of people are booking. You can book for your own too and test what your seed will give you. And there's something about this. If you are getting seed from me, I will tell you how to nurture your seed. Not that you just get your seed and you put it inside the pond, you don't change their water, you don't know what the quantity of water you have to give them, you just overcrowd them, and their fish are not doing good. Like yesterday, I went to supply a fish to a farmer. By the time I got there, they told me they have fish. By the time I got there, the fish they have is already expired. By the time they give my fishes, and the fishes started dying, they started complaining that it's my fish. But now I want to tell you, I want to create an avenue for you to get a very good seed. You can see that they are performing very, very okay. I change water in my farm every day, every day. As I'm telling you, it's better for you to get a very good juvenile seed that you know is meeting up to the required time that is supposed to go. Let me give you an instance. Like if you are growing a juvenile seed, by the time your fishes are 8 to 9 weeks, they should be hitting juvenile size. See, that means 9 to 10 centimeter long. These are the fishes now. By the time I weigh some fishes for you here, and you could see what they are weighing. Let me cite an example. So by the time I weigh this fish, I measure this fish, sorry, you can see already it's going to 12 centimeters. You can see it's already 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters means they are going to do, they are jumbo size, and I'm supplying them as juvenile seed because juvenile seed should be 9 to 10 centimeters. So we have loads of them here. They do better. They do very fine. And two, let me tell you again, for those who don't know, there's nothing, to me, there's nothing like a fish that will not grow. In case you want a fish that will grow, since you have a very good stock, a very good stock, low good stock, Dutch trial thing that grows very, very well. And two, I want to correct some mentality of some people that nobody talks about hybrid. Hybrid and Dutch trial thing, they grow at the same rate. They don't stop growing. Let me give you an instance. Like on broodstock we have here, we have some broodstock here for like 2.5 kilos. By the time I bring them out, they are close to about 5 kg. They grow every day. By the time I feed them, they grow. So once you stock your fishes and you want a good performances for them, make sure your stocking density is appropriate and okay for them. You change their water as when due. After changing their water, feed them at the required percentage of feed you give to them. Let me cite you example. This is my juvenile seed, and I'm still giving them a CP of 52% CP of skirting. What am I portraying? I want them to grow very, very fast. So if you get my seed and you are feeding them the normal feed you have to give them, they'll grow and perform better for you. So I advise you all to get in contact with me, have my seed, let me teach you how to train them, and you get a better harvest for your farm. See you other time. Bless you. I'm going to show you some other stuff too. You know, some people that are talking about medication. I'm going to tell you how to use organic medication to feed your bigger fish and your smaller fish. That means organic medication like bitter leaf, like saint leaf, like avocado leaf, like garlic. I will teach you on everything and how to use it for your fish to prepare your fish to generate energy for your fish to do better. Thank you very much. I still remember your